Hi everyone, I would like to record a short tutorial on how to use camera inside Equimake. I also want to show you new features such as slide camera. On the bottom left of my screen you can see my keyboard and mouse, so whatever I'll be pressing you'll be able to see it. So let's get started with basics of camera movement. You can use left mouse to rotate the camera around a certain point. You can also use right click to pan the camera, left and right, up and down. And you can use mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out. So basically, you can go anywhere in the map with those shortcuts. I can go into this alleyway, and I can keep zooming and keep walking forward. But also, I introduced WASD keys, so you can press W to go forward, S key to go backwards, and A and D to go left and right. Also, you can press Q to go down and E to go up. Additionally, you can use space to go up. Q and E shortcuts are borrowed from game engines like Unreal and Unity, so it will be very familiar for those who are already knowing the engines. So here I can freely move in the alleyways, I can go outside and explore. I can also use Shift key to move faster if default speed is not something that I want to have. And yeah, basically that's it. You can hold the left click and WASD to fly around. Or you can still use the classical 3 buttons of your mouse to really go anywhere you want. With right click to pan, left mouse to move, and scroll to zoom in and zoom out. Thank you so much for your attention.